Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Mount Dora local and long distance movers near me. When you hire a proficient service like 3 Movers, you can take advantage of their container moving service to relocate if the resources for hiring the full service package are not available. They will deliver their moving container to your doorstep, and you will be required to pack in your items, and then the container will be shipped to your new location. For local moves, they charge hourly rates. This will not be too expensive, since they already know the easiest route to follow to beat down traffic and local moving is within 100 miles radius. Embarking on a long-distance move to or from Mount Dora? Hiring the services of 3 Movers to execute this relocation will save you precious time and money from additional costs incurred from long-distance moves, costs like custom costs, which you will be needing to pay if you are embarking on overseas moving or moving large properties across borders. 3 Movers charges you for long-distance moving based on the distance you intend to cover, as well as the number of items you seek to move. You can get a free cost evaluation today once you contact them so as to enable you efficiently plan your long-distance move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Mount Dora moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.